That directly helps keep the final price competitive. Local assembly means parts are more readily available and affordable. You won't wait weeks for shipments from overseas. Quick repairs mean less downtime for your family. The Optra is backed by a generous warranty, 5 years or 150,000 kilometers in many markets. Factory inspections and quality checks give added assurance. Defects covered under warranty are repaired or replaced at no charge. This translates into real peace of mind for buyers. Local assembly, available parts and warranty make ownership inexpensive over time. A strong dealer network supports routine service and repairs. Long lines of Optras in service show the model's durability and popularity. It's a car designed and supported locally, built with the Egyptian driver in mind. Affordable to buy, cheap to run, and easy to maintain, a powerful ownership package. Finally, let's decide. Is the 2025 Optra your next family car? So, is the 2025 Optra the best sedan deal in Egypt today? For city families and practical individuals, the answer is yes. Modern styling, roomy cabin, efficient engine, strong safety and warranty. It looks sharp and feels more expensive than its price. Inside, a spacious cabin and a large, flexible boot. Tech that matters, touchscreen, phone connectivity, and strong AC. The 1.5L engine plus CVT delivers relaxed, fuel-efficient driving. Safety tech and a strong warranty complete the package. From school runs and grocery trips to weekend getaways, the Optra handles it all. It's an excellent entry into new car ownership for first-time buyers and commuters. It offers the room and features of pricier cars at a fraction of the cost. Picture yourself behind the wheel, navigating the city with ease and comfort, a cool, quiet cabin, plenty of space, a dependable companion for everyday life. If you're looking for practical, affordable, and stylish mobility, book a test drive at your local Chevrolet dealer today.